Okay, Solana Trading. Happy Father's Day, everybody. So, binabantayan ko tong Solana kanina umaga. And, ayan. Ang dumi. Clean pa eh. Dumi pa rin. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung line. Ito, yan. Okay? Bakit kamo? Pansin ko dito nag-intersect. Ayan. So, importante yan line na yan. Decision point yan. Okay? Yan. Alright. Decision point ngayon. So, this is a daily chart. Okay? So far, yung one day natin, we went above this yellow line. So as long as we're above this, we should be in a trade. Now, if you draw a line here, and go on the 30-minute chart, meron pa tayong room to grow and hit this line. Mga 7%. Ilan yan? 9% from yung line na sinabi ko, right? So, if you look at it, price cross up, people buy, some sold but people still bought, some sold, people bought in this line, sold again, now bought here, now it's thinking, right? So you can see there's a parallel channel. You might just go bounce. So yan mga chong, di ba? Pwede rin kasi tayo na bumagsak dito ulit. Mga dyan. %. So abangan natin. Yan, kung bumaba tayo dito, nakikita niya ba to? Yan. Yung linya na yan, no? Yung trajectory kasi niya diretso. Ito yung channel. As long as nandito tayo sa channel na to, uptrend yan, okay? Pag nag-zoom in ka, 30-minute chart to 30 minutes. Marami nagtitrade 30 minutes sa pansin ko eh. Oh, 30 minutes. Okay? Sa ano to? Solana. Okay, Solana to Oh. So, 30 minutes. Ayan, Chong, set up.